Will Assurant replace my phone? Yes, Assurant may replace your phone if it is covered under a mobile protection plan and meets the conditions for replacement. Assurant provides device protection for accidental damage, mechanical breakdown, loss, or theft. If your claim is approved, they will send a replacement device. 1. When will Assurant replace your phone? Assurant will replace your phone if it is accidentally damaged, including cracked screens and liquid damage. It experiences a mechanical or electrical failure after the manufacturer's warranty expires. It is lost or stolen, and you file a claim. It is covered under an eligible protection plan through a mobile carrier or retailer. 2. How to file a claim for a replacement. Step 1. Visit Assurant's claims portal or contact customer service. Step 2. Provide required details, including your device's make, model, IMEI number, and account information. Step 3. Explain the reason for the claim: damage, loss, or malfunction. Step 4. Pay any applicable deductible based on your protection plan. Step 5. If approved, receive a replacement device within 1 to 3 business days. 3. What kind of replacement will you receive? Assurant may provide a new or certified refurbished device of similar make and model. The replacement may not be the exact color or have the same accessories. If the original device is out of stock, they may offer a similar upgraded model. 4. Are there any limits or restrictions? Your plan may have a limit on the number of claims per year. Deductibles apply and vary based on the device type and plan terms. Loss and theft coverage may not be available on all plans. 5. What to do after receiving your replacement. Follow the activation instructions provided with the new device. Transfer your data from cloud backups or old device storage. Return the damaged or defective device if required by Assurant. Assurant makes the phone replacement process quick and convenient, ensuring that you stay connected even if your phone is lost, stolen, or damaged. Would you like to see how much you can save by switching to Assurant Mobile Protection today? Click on the link in the description below.